Welcome to part 2 of knee ligament testing by DCAR Health, focusing on the ACL and PCL. Now this video is going to have the same principles as part 1 on what I am looking for. I like to use a cluster of different tests for testing these ligaments because the sensitivity and reliability isn't as high when just using one alone. I'll go through all these, and then if you've got any questions at the end, please send me a message. I'll be happy to talk you through it.
And here's an image illustrating the ACL and PCL. On the left you've got the image from the front of the knee, and on the right the image from the side. And now we're going to jump into the draw tests. In these videos I'm going to show you how I test the ACL and PCL. So if I'm bringing the shin forward, I'm going to be testing the ACL. And the ACL is going to stop any movement of our shin. And then vice versa, if I push backwards, the PCL will be worked there. And here's just another view, help you see it from a better angle. This is quite a forceful movement, strong ligaments, so we need to see if they're intact to do their role. Moving swiftly on, we are going to be continuing to test the ACL. This is the Ligament's test, and here's a little clip showing you what I'm about to do. So I can either do it 30 degrees bend in the knee, and again resting on my thigh to work as a block, and that just stops any other tissues interfering and masking the result. So here's the pivot shift test working the ACL. So I'm going to take the knee for its full range of motion, and then for something to show me that it's an injured ACL, I'm looking for a clunk, and then if the knee jolts backwards, it's usually to a tight ITB. Remember, these two ligaments involved in running, squats and other bodily functions. I'm here to help you with your rehab, but please remember these 3 principles. We want maintenance, we want recovery, and that will in turn will give us our performance. Thank you for listening.